Ever felt like your internet is playing hide and seek? One minute it's there, strong and fast, the next it's lagging, buffering, or just plain gone. We've all been there, staring at that spinning wheel, pulling our hair out because we can't connect, can't stream, can't get anything done. It's frustrating, right? And in today's world, where everything from work to entertainment relies on a stable internet connection, a bad connection can seriously derail your day. So, what if I told you there's a way to take control of your internet experience? A way to diagnose those frustrating slowdowns, pinpoint the culprits behind them, and even optimize your connection for peak performance? That's where Lightspeed Agent comes in. Now, you might be thinking, another network monitoring tool? Do I really need that? And that's a fair question. There are tons of tools out there that promise to boost your internet speed. But Lightspeed Agent is different. It's not just about telling you your connection is slow. It's about giving you the why behind the slow. It's about providing actionable insights so you can actually fix the problem, not just complain about it. Think of it like this. Your internet connection is a complex system, a network of roads with data zipping back and forth. Sometimes there's a traffic jam, a bottleneck, and Lightspeed Agent is like your traffic controller, identifying where those bottlenecks are occurring and giving you the tools to clear them up. So what exactly does Lightspeed Agent do? Let's break it down. First and foremost, Lightspeed Agent provides comprehensive network monitoring. It keeps a constant eye on your internet connection, tracking key metrics like latency, jitter, packet loss, and bandwidth usage. These metrics are the vital signs of your internet health. Latency, for example, is the delay in data transfer, the lag you experience when clicking a link or loading a page. Jitter is the variation in that latency, the inconsistency that makes your video calls choppy. Packet loss is when data packets get lost in transit, causing dropped connections and incomplete downloads. And bandwidth, well, that's the capacity of your internet pipe, how much data can flow through at any given time. Lightspeed Agent monitors all of these, giving you a real-time view of your connection's performance. But it doesn't stop there. It also provides historical data, allowing you to track trends and identify patterns. Are your slowdowns happening at specific times of day? Are they related to certain devices on your network? The historical data in Lightspeed Agent can help you answer these questions. Now, here's where Lightspeed Agent really shines. Its diagnostic capabilities. It doesn't just tell you something is wrong. It helps you pinpoint the source of the problem. Is it a problem with your Wi-Fi network? Is it your router acting up? Is it an issue with your internet service provider? Lightspeed Agent can help you isolate the cause, saving you hours of troubleshooting. Let's say you're experiencing slow download speeds. Lightspeed Agent can help you determine if the bottleneck is on your local network, perhaps due to other devices consuming a lot of bandwidth, or if the problem lies with your ISP, maybe due to network congestion or a faulty connection. This level of granularity is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Another key feature of Lightspeed Agent is its ability to optimize your network. Based on the data it collects, it can offer suggestions for improving your connection. This might include recommendations for optimizing your router settings, prioritizing certain types of traffic, or even identifying devices that are hogging bandwidth. For example, if you're a gamer, you know how important low latency is. Lightspeed Agent can help you prioritize gaming traffic, ensuring that your game gets the bandwidth it needs for a smooth and responsive experience. Or, if you're working from home and relying on video conferencing, you can prioritize video traffic to minimize those frustrating freezes and dropped calls. Lightspeed Agent also provides alerts and notifications. You can set thresholds for different metrics, and if your connection falls below those thresholds, you'll receive an alert. This allows you to proactively address issues before they become major problems. Imagine getting an alert that your latency is spiking during your peak work hours. You can then investigate the cause and take steps to fix it, ensuring that your productivity isn't impacted. Beyond individual users, Lightspeed Agent is also a powerful tool for businesses and organizations. In today's interconnected world, reliable internet access is essential for everything from communication and collaboration to sales and customer service. Lightspeed Agent can help businesses monitor their network performance across multiple locations, identify and resolve network issues quickly, and ensure that their employees have the connectivity they need to be productive. Furthermore, Lightspeed Agent offers detailed reporting features. You can generate reports on your network performance, identify trends, and even share these reports with your ISP if you need to escalate an issue. These reports can be invaluable for demonstrating the impact of network problems and justifying the need for upgrades or improvements. So, to recap, what does Lightspeed Agent do? It monitors your internet connection, providing real-time and historical data on key performance metrics. It diagnoses network problems, helping you pinpoint the source of slowdowns and other issues. It optimizes your network, offering suggestions for improving your connection and prioritizing different types of traffic. It provides alerts and notifications, allowing you to proactively address problems. And it offers detailed reporting features, giving you valuable insights into your network performance. In essence, Lightspeed Agent gives you complete control over your internet experience. It empowers you to understand your connection, identify problems, and take steps to fix them. It's like having a dedicated network engineer working for you 24/7. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.